your phone wouldn't turn on or keep restarting automatically. It doesn't matter which brand. This problem is common. The phone perfectly works fine when connected to a charger. Sometimes you might also notice that the mobile phone runs without being connected to a charger, but as soon as you open an application or perform a task, the mobile phone shuts down. Sometimes you might notice that the mobile phone is not turning on fully even though it's charging. It keeps restarting. And when you disconnect it from the charger, the mobile phone continues restarting few more times before finally shutting down, showing the battery signal. Of course, you have already realized that the issue lies with the battery. There is a small component called battery protection IC that usually has Q written on it depending on the manufacturer brand. Temporary shorting can bypass this issue. Its main job to monitor battery voltage. If the voltage goes too high or drops too low, it cuts off the power supply to